Hi there, this is Anna Brandt, and I launched a new program called My Studio Site, and it's basically an online website builder. If you're looking for just a simple, easy tool to create a website for photography, this is it. And I'm going to just show you a little demonstration of how it works. So when you come in here, you can see that there's site settings. You'd come in here and you would name your site. I already have a website, but let's just call it Anna Brandt Beach Site. I'm going to upload my logo. I already have it in there. And with the logo, when you go into the logo, you can change the size. So we'll come back in here and we'll change the size. Okay. And then you can come down here and you can change the fonts, and you can also change the colors. So, ooh, that's a little dark. So maybe we'll do show colors, and I'll do something super light. Let's see. Oh gosh, maybe, I don't know, let's see. Something blue. You can see that I added this photo in here. I can do adjust and recenter the crop. I can also change the size of it. So right now it's a panoramic or wide or tall or square. I can do a full width if I want it full width. Okay, I can type in the headline, book your Laguna Beach. If I could type, shoot, say Laguna, oh my goodness, Laguna Beach, California. I guess that's already there, so we can do that. I'll just put Anna Brandt here. That's fine. You can see that there's different pages here. You can add different pages. We have some templates in there, and all you have to do is start typing and just make your adjustments. Super simple. When you're on the session pricing, a drop down pulls up and you can just change everything. You can add different sections, gallery. You can see a gallery page, about, services. So these are sections and these are pages. So you can add different types of pages, the label, the address, how it's going to look in Google. You can have it write for you for your SEO, the title, the description, and you just go. And you could have a website, maybe even in an hour or two. It's super simple. We're in beta. It's a working product. I say beta only because we are making changes every single day. And like all of my programs, there's going to be continual changes and continual improvements. The founding rate is open for just a little while longer. It is a lifetime flat fee. Regardless of what I do to this program, it's included for the founding members. If you're interested, just go to buildmystudiosite.com.